Hey glowers, how you doing? Doing good, period. If you know him, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, join the go again, period. Pooh. If you would like to see how I got this bomb, natural looking, body giving, like hair installed, then keep on watching. And also, thank you Wiggins for sponsoring this video.
Her videos mad entertaining and hard to click off, and that I do not disagree. Leave her a like and a comment for me. Tune in, you watching Alyssa-Marie.
Period.
Hey y'all, I wanted to show y'all what it looks like to unbox it. Okay, it says undetachable HD lace, skin melt transparent. Okay, but y'all, as soon as I open the package, do y'all see that? Do y'all see that? It's literally pre-plucked. Pre-plucked the fuck. Like, it's so plucked that I don't even have to pluck. They did their big one, and I ain't even installed it yet. This right here, it's not even out the package, and it's already, I'm already gonna say it's already a 10 out of 10. But y'all, this is a large cap size, 24 inches human hair wig. So I'm gonna have all the details and links in the description below. There's also some goodies at the bottom of the box as well. So we got our own melt band, period, with their logo on it. We got some 3D lashes. Okay, an edge brush, HD wig caps. We got one in red. And then it has all their details on the back as well. And then they got a cute black one. This is not a bag, y'all. This is a head wrap actually. So you can wrap it up at night. It is body wave, so the curls is actually really curling at the bottom, which is cute. Okay, it has a little bounce to it. It's still in the net though. And then if I take the net off, it looks like this. Okay, very transparent. Like, what lace? Like, do you see the lace? Like, I can't see it. Like, you can see me right through that lace, and that's a good thing. So yes, I really love how they pre-plucked this. Like, they did their big one. Like, they really did their big one. But let me see. Like, child, do you see this? Like, it's not even glued to my head yet, and it already looks like scalp. Y'all, get you some Wiggins. Get you some Wiggins right now. I'm so impressed. Like, I'm really impressed actually. Like, I'm overly impressed, seriously. Y'all, I didn't even glue nothing down yet. What is going on right now? Seriously. Seriously, like, what is going on? Y'all, alright, let me stop. Let's I cannot right now. What is this? I'm sorry, I'm just shocked. I'm really shocked. But I'm gonna stop stalling. Let's actually install this wig, okay?
You're 22, tú atajando. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. You're 22. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. Say you like to really ride. Girl, I really know your type is me. Wondering if you and I could be Kim K and Kanye crazy. Just maybe constant crazy with my lady. You got something that I'm interested in. Just maybe. You're 22, tú atajando. fucking with me. I'm in your city, I'ma show you what it means to be loved. Fuck, 22 going on 23. You look prettier when you're fucking with me. I'm in your city, I'ma show you what it means to be loved. Fuck, you're 22, you're 22. Tú got the handle, girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you.
Hey y'all, so as y'all can see, your girl is dying, and let me just say, this hair, the whole package, the way that even came was a 10 out of 10 period. Like, y'all already see my reaction of me unboxing it, and y'all, when I tell you, I did not plug nothing. I did not plug nothing at all. Like, do you see how natural this look? I still can't get over how I didn't plug none of this. Like, it came like this. All I had to do was lay it down. And it's giving like it's my hair. Like, that is a bomb 10 out of 10. Like, I cannot. And it came pre-bleached too, so I didn't have to bleach no knots. You can't see. Like, what lace? Don't play with me. And then I love how it already came like really curled, so I did not have to curl this at all. Okay. And it just still, like, it's still bouncy, still voluminous, like period. Like, you literally, all you had to do is lay this on your head and you done. Like, you don't gotta do nothing. You don't gotta plug, you don't gotta bleach. Okay, you don't even gotta curl the hair. Like, it already came already done. And it saved me a whole lot of time. Like, usually you gotta do a lot. Installing a wig with sis, they made it easier for me, and that's just a 10 out of 10 period. Like, I'm very impressed with Wiggins right now. Like, I did not expect this quality to be so good. Like, they really did a big one, period. Like, y'all already know this. You better come get you one of these. I am not playing. Like, they really did a big one. They really did. Like, it's so cute and it's so natural, and I just really love how they just really prep the hair like really good. Like, I cannot get over this hairline and the hair. I cannot get over this at all. Like, but I will have this exact hair link in the link description below, also their website, so they have many a variety of hairs to choose from as well. Y'all already seen it from me. Get you some wigs, because I'm not playing. Like, and this is definitely like beginner friendly. Like, if you don't know how to plug, if you don't know how to bleach knots, like if you don't know how to do a lot of things and you just really fresh into the lace world, then I definitely recommend that you get you one of these. Okay, get you one of these, because this will definitely save you some time and some help. Like, yeah. But anyways, I definitely would rate this a 10 out of 10 on my book. Like, a 10 out of 10 period, because they really did a big one and I cannot get over that. I really can't. But anyway, that's all I have to say about this hair. So thank you Wigginshair for sponsoring this video. But anyways, I'm gonna go now. See, either you gonna go on me, go on me. Period. And I will see y'all later.
Videos mad entertaining and hard to click off, and that I do not disagree. Leave her a like and a comment for me. Tune in, you watching Alyssa-Marie.